Hi everybody, welcome to the UNAD Chef TV program. My name is Luis Hernan Moreno. I am 19 years old and it belongs to the Industrial Engineering program. Last Christmas, I was with my family sharing and traveled to grandparents' house. I am from out of belong to the department of Villa Calle Hospitalito, where you can find a wide variety of typical food, one of them being the Williams Roans, a very delicious and foods this in our region of whites high with think you like more of its preparation and its ingredients. Food tip type preparation of Ur Williams Roas with high did full with ingredients. 1 white chopped onion, 6 cloves of grain, salt to taste, pepper to taste, 4 long onion finely chopped, 1 food cup white vinegar, 2 tablespoons fresh of coriander, 1 tablespoon fresh of thyme, 2 tablespoons of dried basil, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 4 pounds of tender pork, 2 tablespoons of dried oregano, 1-2 cups of white oregano, 2 cans of beer. Preparation. We start by making 2 puree to marinate 2 meat for 2-4 hours with minced onion, thick garlic, thick long onion, thick beer, thick vinegar, and thick oregano hash to obtain hot puree. To mix the puree with cumin, dry basil, coriander, thyme, salt, and pepper. Make small cut into pork loins and tights dressing. Run the loin with thick dressing, trying to penetrate the cups. Marinate the pork for at least 24 hours, turning and basting with thick dressing every 6 hours. Then preheat the oven to 300 degrees and bake for about 3 to 4 hours, turning thick meat every hour. Knowing my typical dish, I invite your colleagues and tutor to go and enjoy this wonderful recipe. Thank you.